February 18, 2023 1:30 p.m. Torrential slide cost today. Torrential slide value equivalent to 353.14 rands a coin. The present cost range 351.15 362.34. The earlier day close 353.13. The change was 0.01. 0.00%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Cost 364 rands, high 389. Low. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 389 rands, high 416. Low 362. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, February 23. Cost 399 rands, high 427. Low 371. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Cost 394 rands, high 422. Low 366. In multi-week torrential slide figure on Monday, February 27. Cost 393 rands, high 421. Low 365. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 396 rands, high 424. Low 368. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 402 rands, high 430. Low 374. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 352 rands, high 377. Low 327. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 344 rands, high 368. Low 320. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 373 rands, high 399. Low 347. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 365 rands, high 391. Low 339. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 351 rands, high 376. Low 326. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 343 rands, high 367. Low 319. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 339 rands, high 363. Low 315. In 3 weeks torrential slide estimate on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 332 rands, high 355. Low 309. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 371 rands, high 397. Low 345. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 371 rands, high 397. Low 345. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 350 rands, high 375. Low 326. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 352 rands, high 377. Low 327. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 341 rands, high 365. Low 317. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 396 rands, high 424. Low 368. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2023. First and foremost cost at 342 rands. Exorbitant cost 427. While low cost 299, found the middle value of cost 366. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 396, change for February 15.8%. Torrential slide gauge for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 396 rands, exorbitant cost 474. While low cost 309, found the middle value of cost 406. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 443. Change for spring 11.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 443 rands, exorbitant cost 550. While low cost 443. Found the middle value of cost 488. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 514. Change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for May 2023. At the outset cost at 514 rands. Excessive cost 514. while low cost 402. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 466. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 432. Change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 432 rands, excessive cost 432, while low cost 338. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 391. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 363. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 363 rands, excessive cost 440, while low cost 363. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 394. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 411. Change for July 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 411 rands, excessive cost 419, while low cost 365. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 397. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 392. Change for August 4.6%. Torrential slide conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 392 rands, excessive cost 392, while low cost 306. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 355. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 329. Change for September 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 329 rands, excessive cost 409, while low cost 329. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 362. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 382. Change for October 16.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 382 rands, excessive cost 382, while low cost 299. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 346. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 321. Change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 321 rands, excessive cost 321, while low cost 251. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 291. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 270. Change for December 15.9%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 270 rands, exorbitant cost 270, while low cost 211. The found the middle value of cost 245. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 227. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 227 rands.